Good morning children, welcome to our class. Today we are going to learn about the chapter 2 exercise 2.6. The problems will be there in page number 106 and 107 word problems on addition and subtraction of money. So see the first one. Rakesh bought a bell for his bicycle for rupees 70 and paid rupees 22 for the repairing the bicycle. Rakesh bought a bell for his bicycle for rupees 70 and paid rupees 22 for repairing the bicycle. How much did Rakesh spend in all? If he gave the shopkeeper a 100 rupee note, how much money did he get back? So Rakesh bought a bell. He bought one bell for the cycle. What is the cost of that bell? 70 rupees. And he repaired the bell. How much money he spent for the repairing the bell? 22 rupees. So total how much money he spent for that bell? 70 rupees per buy, 22 rupees for repairing. So we have to add that too. And he gave 100 rupee note to the shopkeeper. How much money did he get back? So we have to subtract from that 100. Now see the solution for this problem. First one, solution. Cost of a bell for cycle. Cost of a bell for cycle is equal to rupees 70. Spent on repairing the bell. Spent on repairing the bell. For how much money he spent for repairing the bell? Spent on repairing the bell is equal to rupees 22. Spent on repairing the bell. For repairing how much money he spent? 22 rupees. Total money spent for the bell. Total how much money he spent for the bell? 70 rupees plus 22 rupees. Rupees 70 plus rupees 22. So total how much it is? Add these to 92 rupees. He spent for the bell 90 rupees. Money how much he gave to the shopkeeper? 100 rupees. Money gave to the shopkeeper. Money gave to the shopkeeper. Money gave to the shopkeeper. How much money he gave to the shopkeeper? Rupees 100. So how much money he get back from the shopkeeper? Money get back from the shopkeeper. Money gets back from the shopkeeper. So he gave 100 rupees to the shopkeeper. He spent 92 rupees in that. So how much money he will get back? So how do the subtraction? 100, 92. 100 minus 92. Do the subtraction. Here borrow, here 0, here 10, here 9, again here 10. 8, 0, 0. So how much rupees he get back from the shopkeeper? Rupees 8. 8 rupees he get back from the shopkeeper. The second question. Jeevan bought a toy car for rupees 150, a crayon box for rupees 37.50 and a book for rupees 58. How much did Jeevan pay in all? If he gave rupees 300, how much money did he get back? Same like first question ma. Here also cost of a toy car rupees 150. Cost of a crayon box rupees 37.50. Cost of a book rupees 58. Okay, total money spent. add the 3. Next, money gave to the shopkeeper rupees 300. Money get back from the shopkeeper. 300 minus total you add no ma? How much you get? That one you have to do the subtraction. Next, see the third question. Ali had rupees 350. He spent rupees 165.20 on stationery, rupees 92.50 on food and saved the rest. How much money did he save? Okay, see here third question. See the solution for the third one. Money spent on stationery. Money spent on stationery. Money spent on stationery is equal to rupees 165.20. Next, money spent on food. Money spent on food. For food, how much he spent? Rupees 92.50. Total money spent. Total money spent. Total money spent. Total how much money he spent? What we have to do? Do the addition. So do the addition. 0, 7, 7, 6 plus 9, 15. Here 2, here rupees. So 257 rupees 70 paise he spent money with Ali. Money with Ali. With Ali, how much money is there? Rupees 350. No, now in this 350, he spent rupees 257.70. Okay, remaining he saved. Money saved by Ali. Money saved by Ali. Money saved by Ali. So we have to subtract from this one this number. So 350, here point not given, so take 2 zeros. Is equal to rupees 257.70. Now do the subtraction. Here put minus and do 0 minus 0, 0. Here 0, 7 not possible, take borrow. So here also 0 from here to here it is 4. Here to here it is 10. Again here to here it is 10. Here 9. So 10 minus 7, 3. Here point. 9 minus 7, 2. 4 minus 5 not possible, take the borrow. From here it is 2. Here 14. So 14 minus 5, 9. 2 minus 2, 0. So how much money he is saving? Saving 92 rupees 30 paise he is saving. Next, fourth question. Mayanak bought a shirt for rupees 240.95 and a pant for rupees 310.50. How much money did he spend in all? If he gave the shopkeeper a 2000 rupee note, how much money did he get back? Same here also. Cost of the shirt, cost of the pant. Total cost. Next, how much money he is having? He gave to the shopkeeper 2000 rupees. How much money he will get back means add that to and subtract from 2000, you will get the answer. Next, see the fifth question. Listen. A bulb costs rupees 13.75 less than a tube light cost. Tube light cost kanna bulb cost 13 rupees 75 paise takkuva అని అర్థం. If the cost of the tube light is rupees 112.50, how much does the bulb cost? We have to find the bulb cost. Tube light cost given. We have to subtract from this tube light cost this rupees 13.75. We will get the bulb cost. How much do both the items cost together? Next we have to add the tube light cost and bulb cost. So here fifth question solution ma. A bulb cost rupees 13.75 less than a tube light cost. Less than a tube light. Less than a tube light. A bulb costs rupees 13.75 less than a tube light. So cost of a tube light. Cost of a tube light. Cost of a tube light is equal to rupees 112.50. Next we have to find the cost of a bulb. Cost of a bulb. This bulb cost is 13 rupees 75 paise less than this tube light cost. So we have to subtract from this 13.75 rupees 112.50 rupees 13.75. Do the subtraction of these two. 0, 5 not possible, take borrow from here it is 4, here it is 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 4 minus 7 not possible, take from borrow, here it is 1, this 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 7, 7. Here 1 minus 3 not possible, take borrow from here. Here it is 0. Here 10 plus 1, 11. 11 minus 3, 8. 0 minus 1 not possible, take borrow. Here it is 10. 10 plus 1, 10 minus 1, 9. So, the cost of the bulb is 98 rupees 75 paise. Now we have to find the total cost of tube light and bulb. Cost of a bulb, cost of a bulb and tube light together. And tube light together. Cost of a bulb and tube light together. So what we have to do together means we have to do the addition. So this is the cost of a tube light, this is the cost of bulb. Add these two. Is 112.50 rupees 98.75. So what we have to do, both these two, do the addition. Add this to 0, 5, 5. 5 plus 7, 12. Here 1, here 2. Point right here. 8, 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 1 plus 1, 2. Rupees 211.25. Okay, all these problems do in your classwork with neat handwriting.